Hello, this is Dr. Mike Lichtman. So I'm representing Mike's Lichtman Training Institute here. So it's a great joint venture with the New Beacon High School of School and College. So here today, we have started a thematic walk in, like all the students like to show up with the possibility, like they were pointed out, all right? So are you ready for the fun? All right, so they are really admirable people, all right? So let's make fun, all right? So I will speak up about the possibility and you will touch this, all right? Here or there, whenever I will say. Are you ready? All right, so let's get started. All right, so I will speak up. Cheese. Oh my God. So you're gonna do it a little faster because it's an amazing activity. All right. Everybody say cheese. Cheese. Okay. Now, lips. Lips. All right. The corner of lips. Corner of lips. Where the corner of lips? Okay. Yes, that's right. All right. Chin. Where's the chin? Chin. Okay. Now touch your nose. And now touch your nose bridge. Nose bridge, nose bridge. Wow, beautiful. Like you can see, like we are learning the exhibition details oriented, right? Okay. So your kids are just one decision away. So we are accepting a lot of information, so it's a great time. All right. Now I will ask you head, shoulders, knees, toes. Okay, stand up, stand up. I'm sorry. All right. Ears. Ears, all right? Now, I'll ask something different now, okay? It's very complicated and tough. Earlobes. Earlobes. Yeah, exactly. This part is earlobe, all right? All right. Now, touch again to your head. And forehead. Forehead. Okay. Now, eyes. Eyebrows. Eyebrows. Good job. Eyelashes. Eyelashes. Okay, again, cheese. Cheese. Good job. Teeth. Good job. Now fist bumping, everyone. Fist bumping, fist bumping. Yes, 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 yes. Good job, good job. Yes, all right. So everybody say bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. So this is all like about the thematic book. So we're gonna come up with a lot of more videos. Are you ready? All right. So we are bringing a lot of fun to you. So don't skip. All right.